Subcontractors are just as vital to your project as your direct team. It is so important to treat them with the same level of respect and communication as you do your team because, well, they are part of the team. Building this bridge at the onset of your business relationships will go a long way in your present and future endeavors together. They value and honor your business and will go above and beyond to bail you out when you need it most. If relationships are not managed well and requirements are not fully discussed and understood up front, scopes will creep, schedules will delay, costs will rise, and relationships can sour. Sometimes this ends in bridges burned. This scenario usually ends in customer dissatisfaction. So, let's dive into how to rock subcontractor management, shall we? Are you ready to rock? Welcome to the How to Rock series. Today's topic, how to rock subcontractor management of critical components. Here are my top tips to making sure you are setting everyone up for success when managing subcontractors. In order to be successful and mitigate delays, we need to be deliberate in our expectations. What are our requirements? What level of performance do we expect from them, and when is it due? We also need to make sure we know their expectations of us. How do we do this? Agreed upon deliverables. What is in the scope of work in detail, and when will it be delivered? What are the quality requirements, and how much source inspection is required? All of this information needs to be clearly identified in the RFQ you send out to minimize rework on both sides. Create an RFQ checklist. This is super important. Trust me on this. Create an RFQ checklist to make sure you always are sending the right information the first time. Do your homework up front, my PM friends. Once you choose the supplier that best meets your needs, finalize the schedule using your standard method of scheduled communication and make sure everyone has a copy of it and it gets updated regularly. If you don't have a scheduling team, use Projects or Excel. Get something realistic on paper so that it can be tracked and measured against. Okay, so now that you have everyone singing, dancing, moving, and grooving to that same song, let's cut them a PO. Generate that PO and make sure that the requirements, scope, schedule, cost, and quality all flow down with it. Oh, and don't forget, logistics is critical. The what and when of incoming material, outgoing, the methods of transportation must be discussed. Once you get the PO over to them, get confirmation of receipt and lock in that final commitment. Last but not least, my PM friends, monitor and control. Monitor and control. Following up is key to being successful in project management. If you do not, you will only know you have a problem when you have a problem and it's too late and you're lit on fire. The three amigos of project management will slip and El Guapo will come in and take over your town. Do you know who El Guapo is? You don't want El Guapo coming in and taking over your town. Always keep that in mind. Oh, always keep this in mind as well. 30 minutes of good planning supersedes 8 hours of unguided effort. That's all I have for you. Leave comments below, and as always, have a wonderful, incredible week, and rock on.